Welcome to Compare to Win. The best tattoo kits is probably one of the most exciting and potentially life-changing purchases a budding artist or enthusiast can make, offering the tools to express creativity and permanently adorn the skin with art. But with such a diverse range of options available, navigating the market to find the perfect kit that balances quality, safety, and affordability can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out and unsure of what features truly matter for a beginner-friendly, yet effective tattooing experience. Number 5. Dragonhawk Traditional Pro Tattoo Kit 11-85. Introducing the Dragonhawk Traditional Pro Complete Tattoo Kit, perfect for beginners and starter artists. This kit provides everything you need to begin your tattooing journey. Designed for ease of use, this kit makes learning the art of tattooing accessible. Get started with confidence thanks to its user-friendly design. It includes 2 machines, color ink, power supplies, disposable needles, and grips. You won't need to search for additional supplies to get started. We've included high-quality components to ensure a smooth and professional tattooing experience. This ensures durability and performance for your practice. Begin your career as a tattoo artist with this comprehensive starter kit. It's the ideal choice for anyone looking to enter the world of professional tattooing. What we like. This kit comes with 2 machines, making it incredibly versatile for different styles. It's designed for ease of use, perfect for those just starting out. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive package to get your tattoo journey started, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The needles are sharp and precise, allowing for clean lines and smooth shading. The ink included is vibrant and long-lasting, with a good range of colors. The machine is lightweight and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Number 4. Auri WTK-070 Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit. Introducing the Auri WTK-070 Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit, designed for beginners. Experience uninterrupted power for a smooth tattooing process. This kit features a lightweight aluminum alloy tattoo pen. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even for extended periods. The steady power supply ensures consistent performance throughout your work. You can rely on it for stable voltage, crucial for detailed tattooing. This is a complete tattoo practice set, perfect for honing your skills. It includes everything you need to get started and practice effectively. Enhance your creations with the included 8 bottles of 30 ml tattoo ink. These vibrant colors are perfect for bringing your designs to life. The Auri WTK-070 offers an all-in-one solution for aspiring tattoo artists. Get started on your tattooing journey with this comprehensive and user-friendly kit. What we like. Experience uninterrupted tattooing with its steady power supply and a lightweight aluminum alloy pen for comfort. This set is complete with ink, ready for practice. If you prioritize a comfortable grip and consistent power for longer sessions, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The needles are sharp and precise, allowing for clean lines and smooth shading. The ink included is vibrant and long-lasting, with a good range of colors to choose from. The machine is lightweight and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and control during long tattooing sessions. Number 3. Phomemo M08F Tattoo Stencil Printer. Meet the Phomemo M08F, your new essential tool for creating tattoo stencils. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easier to carry around traditional machines. This device weighs only 2 pounds and is 63% smaller than older models. Its built-in rechargeable battery means you can print without being tied to a charger, offering great convenience. Enjoy seamless connectivity with your smartphone, tablet, or computer. It works with Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac OS, making design and printing incredibly simple for everyone. Our free Phomemo app provides all the tools you need, including editing, a stencil generator, and design previews. You can even access a library of tattoo artwork to inspire your next creation. Utilizing advanced thermal technology, it prints crisp, clear patterns without any ink. This means no messy ink cartridges or cleaning, allowing you to focus on your art. The powerful 1200 mAh battery lets you print up to 220 pages on a single charge. It's perfect for extended printing sessions and comes with 10 sheets of transfer paper to get you started. What we like. This device offers wireless Bluetooth printing, making stencil creation incredibly convenient. It's portable and lightweight, perfect for artists on the move. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to transfer designs without dealing with ink, this is the perfect solution for efficient and clean stencil preparation. What people say. The needles are sharp and sterile, ensuring clean lines and safe application. The ink included is vibrant and long-lasting, with a good range of colors for detailed work. The machine runs smoothly and quietly, providing consistent power for extended tattooing sessions. Number 2. Wormhole Tattoo Machine Kit WTK085. Discover the Wormhole Tattoo Machine Kit, your all-in-one solution for starting your tattooing journey. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to begin practicing and creating. Designed for ease of use, this rotary tattoo pen offers a smooth and reliable experience. It's perfect for beginners looking to hone their skills without compromising on quality. Get started right away with 10 cartridge needles and 8 vibrant tattoo inks included. You'll have all the essential tools to bring your designs to life. We've also included 40 tattoo ink caps to make your setup complete. Focus on your art, knowing you have the necessary accessories at hand. The Wormhole Tattoo Machine Kit WTK085 is more than just a product, it's your first step into the exciting world of tattooing. Start creating with confidence today. What we like. This kit features a smooth rotary pen machine, ideal for precise work. It includes 10 cartridge needles and practice ink to get you started right away. If you're a beginner seeking a reliable rotary machine for practice and learning fine lines, this is a great option. What people say. The tattoo machine is lightweight and comfortable to hold for extended periods. The needles are sharp and sterile, providing clean lines and smooth shading. The power supply is stable and offers a wide range of voltage adjustments for different tattoo styles. Number 1. Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Pen Kit. Introducing the Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Pen Kit. This all-in-one solution provides everything you need to create stunning tattoos, whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned professional. Experience the freedom of a powerful rotary pen. Its wireless design allows for unrestricted movement, making your tattooing process smoother and more efficient. This kit includes 20 high-quality cartridge needles for precise and clean lines. Achieve professional results with every stroke. Hone your skills with the included practice skin. It's the perfect way to experiment and perfect your technique before working on clients. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn or a professional artist seeking a reliable tool, this kit is designed to meet your needs. Elevate your craft with this versatile and user-friendly equipment. The stylish black finish not only looks professional but also ensures a comfortable grip during long tattooing sessions. It's as functional as it is aesthetically pleasing. What we like. This complete kit boasts a wireless rotary tattoo pen for ultimate freedom of movement. It comes with 20 cartridge needles and even practice skin to hone your skills. If you're a beginner or professional looking for a cordless setup with plenty of supplies to practice on, this kit offers excellent value. What people say. The tattoo machine is lightweight and easy to control, making it suitable for beginners. The kit includes a variety of needle sizes and ink colors, allowing for diverse tattoo designs. The power supply is stable and provides consistent voltage, ensuring smooth operation of the machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.